Hey everybody, how's it going? You may hear Erica laughing in the background because she just got to hear what her home state had to say about the right to repair bill. Something I genuinely respect about the Hawaii State Legislature with regards to HB 1884 is they said the quiet part out loud and they put it in text. Many states, city legislatures don't want to deal with contentious issues. They don't want to deal with lobbyists for multi-billion-dollar companies giving them legal threats, but they also don't want to aggravate their constituents. So they'll keep the bill on the table. The bill will remain on the table, but it just won't get voted on for a really long period of time until it quietly disappears. And with Hawaii, I gotta say I appreciate their honesty. It says here, HB 1884, relating to the Model State Right to Repair Law, requires original equipment manufacturers of digital electronic equipment to make documentation, parts, and tools available to independent repair providers and owners for the purposes of diagnosis, maintenance, and repair on fair and reasonable terms. Effective July 1st, 2050. Changing the effective date to July 1st, 2050 to encourage further discussion. Yeah, maybe by then we'll be having better conversations. I think I'm about 30 years younger than Charlie Brown. Who knows? He may be dead by then. There'll be a better chance of it passing. I'm the youngest lobbyist showing up. They're all going to be gone by then. Maybe that's their strategy. You can't make this up. July 2050. We did it, folks. Right to repair. I can't keep a straight face for this video. Stop laughing, you're making me laugh.
You should just put it up.
I can't.
Put it up with the light.
This is like the third take. I can't.
No, just put it up.
Okay, fine.